Okay, let's see how everything works in practice. Click the Create button in the project pane. Select C# script and name the newly created script ClientSideScript. Double-click the ClientSideScript script and replace the existing content with the following. Let's walk through this script to see how it works. In the LoginToPlayFab function, in this example, if login succeeds, we log a message and we call the RequestQuarters custom function. In case of error, we log a message containing the error details for debug purposes. The envelope RequestQuarters function we created requires us to pass an integer that specifies the quantities of quarters we intend to request. In this example, it's 2. Inside the RequestQuarters method, we're calling the AwardQuarters method, passing the quantities of quarters we intend to award. Now let's discuss some custom logic on the cloud side. To start, open the Quarters SDK modules PlayFab Quarters PlayFab module server.txt. In the custom logic section, add the following code. Remember that each of the edits you make in the cloud script will have to be uploaded to the automation section in the PlayFab console for the code to be effective and live.